What if the Indian subcontinent had never been divided? A single, powerful nation from Kabul to Chittagong, from the Himalayas to Kanyakumari. Let's explore an alternate reality of a united South Asia. In this alternate timeline, 1.7 billion people live under one flag. Over 3,000 ethnic communities. 18 major languages. All coexisting in one democratic superstate. It wouldn't be easy, but it would be unstoppable. Together, this undivided nation would be the third largest economy in the world. A GDP crossing $6 trillion. Karachi and Mumbai ports fueling global exports. Dhaka's textiles, Bengaluru's software, and Lahore's manufacturing, all aligned. The Made in India label would become a global powerhouse. Imagine high-speed trains connecting Kabul to Kolkata. A single energy grid sharing hydropower from Bhutan, solar from Rajasthan, and wind from Tamil Nadu. No border checkpoints. Just progress. With a unified military and nuclear command, this nation would be a global force. No Indo-Pak conflicts. No Kargil, no 1971. Just one diplomatic voice in world affairs. A possible permanent seat at the UN Security Council. An Asian counterbalance to China. Bollywood, Lollywood, and Dollywood become one mega industry. Imagine Salman Khan and Mahira Khan in the same blockbuster. Songs in Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, Tamil, and Pashto, reaching millions. One dream team. Virat Kohli, Babar Azam, Rashid Khan, and Shakib Al Hasan, playing together. One anthem. One jersey. Every cricket match becomes a celebration. What if Abdul Kalam and Abdus Salam worked together? Satellites built in Delhi, tested in Dhaka, and launched from Sri Lanka. This united nation might have landed on the moon, and beyond, long before others. National snack? Tandoori naan. Airline name? Bharat Wings, flying from Srinagar to Chittagong. A shared Independence Day, celebrated with Kathak in Kolkata and Qawwalis in Lahore. Textbooks quoting Rumi, Tagore, and Iqbal, side by side. Could such a union survive in reality? Or would identity, extremism, and politics tear it apart? Would power be centralized, or shared with rotating capitals like Delhi, Dhaka, and Islamabad? An undivided India may never exist in this timeline, but imagining it reminds us of what we share. History, culture, dreams. Could unity ever replace rivalry? Or is diversity what truly makes us strong? Let us know what you think. Would this united South Asia thrive, or fall under its own weight? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us at Explore with AI for more alternate realities powered by imagination and AI.